Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use the Capital One app. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course get it. So how do you get the Capital One mobile app? So first, you will send them a text. You will type confidence in all capitals to 80101 and then send them. And after that, and then you can also by the way scan the QR code which what they are showing on their official website. And then you can also download the app as well on your App Store or your Google Play if it is available in your country. And after you've downloaded or installed the Capital One, what you will have to do is you will log in. And once you log in, on the home tab, you will see the deals, the price, the drops, and the coupons. And then you can also tap the search bar at the top, and then you can just type the product that you would want to buy or whatsoever, and then you will select any item to view price so that you will be able to actually do a comparison, and then you will also see the price history and available coupons. And by the way, if there are no coupon codes, you can just type our top try codes so that you will be able to auto apply them. And you can also tap rewards on the bottom menu to view your rewards or cashbacks. And you can just, follow the instructions inside the rewards tab to redeem your rewards. And that's basically just it. And I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.